Welcome to the codeness. In the previous video, we have successfully created the project structure. The project structure contain of the four project. This is the designing pattern for the clean architecture or domain-driven architecture. This folder structure is commonly used in the microservices also. So I have preferred this folder structure to show you the demonstration. Now I am going to create the files in the domain layer. So in the domain, right click, add new folder, give the name entities. All related to the entities are in the domain folder. Now we have entities called product. So I am going to give the name of the product, just make it public. Now I have defined some basic field to understand the application. So product, I'm going to use the Guid 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 for the ID purpose, then the name and the description and the price and the created it. All are the default. Now I am going to use the table name because based on this I am going to create the table in the SQL server. So name is products. Now I am going to add the key. Then that's it for now. Later on I add some more fields for demonstrate you for the edit examples. So let it be there. Now based on this structure, the table will be created in the database. Now I am going to create the interface to perform or use case to perform the all operation of the product. Interface, then I give it the name called IProductRepository. This is the interface that will be implemented later on. In this, I have defined all for the method like public. First of all, I have to change it to interface because it is the interface, not class. Public task. I enable product. This product from domain just created. Now give the name get product async. Similarly, I am going to create one more get product by ID, then add product, or I'm just going to change it create product, then return the product newly created product. I'm going to return similar for the update also. Update. Now for delete product. In this I am going to add one more thing. I am going to add the cancellation token. What do you mean by the cancellation token? For example, if you have make the request from the server, from the your browser send the request and it will take some time to process the data. And in the meantime, let's say in the meantime someone is closed the browser, but in the server level on the SQL the application in the progress. So if you use the cancellation token, when you close the browser or it due to the network or by internally you intentionally you close the browser, it will automatically cancel the request. So that will help in canceling the request also. Otherwise, your program will execute it indefinite time because the server browser is closed and the server is not get the data sent to the front end. So I'm going to use the cancellation token. So in this way, I have created the entities and interface. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create the infrastructure layer. So thank you for watching this video.